Did it all on my own, turn the chance to the throne. I'm a king in this world. I put my whole city on, see some things that they never would've known if I did start hard. And every night is a premiere. If I ever disappear, best believe I'm coming back. Start hard. Got rich, went broke, and got rich again on that same shit. All I ever do is stunt hard.
I stunt hard, no fouls, street ball, digging in my pockets. I might fall, I made it this far. From the bottom though, doing it big, scared of nothing. Home alone, if you wanna ride with me, you can't be scared of heights. Stunt so hard just to live through the night. You see my diamond earring? Matter of fact, listen, walking on the edge, I'm never slipping. Candy paint dripping, so I don't give a money hype pyramid. King Tuck, I got your boy stuck while I'm at home stuffed, doing everything. Call it push-ups, swagger on long. I call it elastic. Everything y'all boys get fake, I call it plastic. Girls walking around the house like it's a pageant. Get big money, use Jordan for a practice. I stunt hard just to add my special flavor. Every night I gotta say me a special player. Always get the money first, never later. I'm trying to do something that I will always savor. So y'all haters stand back.